The smartphone world in 2025 just got more exciting with the launch of the Xiaomi Redmi K90 Pro Max, a device that redefines what a flagship phone can offer at a competitive price. Hi guys, welcome to my technological world, your own YouTube tech channel. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon. Here we are going to unboxing Xiaomi Redmi K90 Pro Max. Let's go. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're unboxing one of the most hyped flagship killers of 2025, the all-new Xiaomi Redmi K90 Pro Max. This phone is packed with insane specs, a 2K display, a monster camera setup, and lightning-fast charging. Let's dive right in. Alright, here's the box. Clean, premium design with that bold Redmi K90 Pro Max branding on top. The packaging looks classy, with gold accents on matte black. As we open the box, the first thing we see is a smaller white envelope. That includes your SIM ejector pin, a transparent protective case. Underneath, we get the 100W fast charger, a USB Type-C cable, and some paperwork. Xiaomi still gives you the charger in the box. Thank you, Redmi. And here it is, the star of the show, the Redmi K90 Pro Max. Wow! That finish looks absolutely stunning. Glass back, smooth curves, and that triple camera design looks flagship level with Boss sound. So clean, the sticker on back. On the back, a 50-megapixel main sensor with OIS, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto camera offering 5x optical zoom and up to 10x hybrid zoom. So let's start it. Look guys, that's an amazing. So wear the pouch. Start the settings segment. The Redmi K90 Pro Max comes with a 6.9-inch 2K OLED display. Absolutely gorgeous, with vibrant colors and buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate. So that's our unboxing and first look at the Xiaomi Redmi K90 Pro Max, a true flagship powerhouse. From its incredible display to its camera, battery, and design, this phone sets a new benchmark for 2025. So guys, this is the fresh information about new Xiaomi Redmi K90 Pro Max. I hope you like this. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon, so you will receive our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.